Same piece of graph paper. Here we go. On the same piece of graph paper, go ahead and give me another x and y axis in the middle now. Remember, I'm asking you to fit 3 of them. So right in the middle, give me another x and y axis. Right here. So the first one for warm-up was on top. The second one's in the middle. Give me another x and y axis just like you have right here on the board. Por favor. Nice. Ortiz, you're killing me. Let's do it. Medina still not? Okay. How about Gonzalez? Sam, Abel Gonzalez. Nice. Good job, Rodriguez. Good job, Castro. Beautiful. But now do another one. Give me another x and y axis. All right, Rios is ready. Gomez is almost there. Is Rocha there? Let's go. Come on. This is my ice water. Imagine if that was coffee, I'd be dead by now. Actually, I drink it straight because the coffee, the quality I drink is so good, you don't even need sugar. That's how good it is. So, ready? Trust me. I'll show you the coffee I drink. My wife works at Starbucks, so I get the fresh stuff, the beautiful stuff, and I'll let you smell this stuff. The best. Because if you get sick, then you can sue me and I lose my job and I'm homeless on Skid Row or Gary Avenue. All right, ready? Example 2. Why does that make you laugh? No, just kidding. That was scary. Ready? Example 2. Find, write this with me, find the x and y intercepts. Let's do it one more time. Yeah, on the graph paper, just write this next to the graph on the graph paper, but give yourself some room to graph. I punched the 3-ring hole punches right here so you can put in your binder nice and neatly after. This way on tomorrow's quiz. Yep, I said it. Remember, every Friday's payday. The only new student here is Mr. Rios. Let him know how every Friday there's payday. There's a weekly quiz. Let him know, guys. Rios, we don't got to cuss, man. Thank you, Rios. Don't believe what Gonzalez just said. All right. Find the x and y intercepts. Here we go. What equation? Here's the equation. 2x plus 4y equals 2. Sure. I prefer on the same ones just so it's all in one spot, but it's up to you. It's your notes. You don't turn them into me anyway. 2x plus 4y equals 2. So notice how this one differs from the first one where y is not by itself. It doesn't matter because x and y are still part of the equation. Same stuff. So let's find our x-intercept first. I'm going to write x int. Rios, what's always 0 at the x-intercept? Right, the y value. Beautiful. Nice. And let me give myself some space for the work, and then I'm going to put y-intercept down here. Samuel Gonzalez, what's always 0 at the y-intercept? You're awesome. That's good. That's why I did this purposely, so we don't have to run away and cry to mama because there's a fraction. Mr. Mugia is going to take care of you. Watch this. All right. Legally, I am, actually. When you're in my class, I'm viewed legally as your parent. It's crazy, huh? Give you guys a big cinturazo. All right, let's do it. Wherever I see y now, I'm going to replace it with 0. Watch. I'm going to use Dodger blue because, again, they're going to win the World Series this year. Uh-oh. 2x plus 4 times 0 equals 2. 2x plus 4 times 0 is 0 equals 2. 2x equals 2, because 2x plus 0 is just 2x. That's like saying 2x plus nothing is what? Well, it's 2x. You added nothing to 2x, so you just have 2x. All right? How do you get x by itself, Valdez? Right, so let's talk about that. So you put the line, what does line mean? So we're going to divide by 2. Beautiful. Because it's the opposite, watch this, Valdez, it's the opposite of multiplication, 2 times x. Well, if you have a variable next to a number, it automatically means 2 times that number, 2 times that variable. This is 2 times x. Okay? So the opposite is division. So here we go. I'm going to divide by, so it's, I got x equals 2 divided by 2. 1. So x is by itself on the left, and I got 2 divided by 2 is 1. So look at, there's my x-intercept, 1, 0. What should we do with that puppy, Gonzalez? Nice. 1, 0. Do it with me. 1, 0. So instead of graphing by a table of values, remember this stuff we did about maybe 3 weeks ago? We made a table of values, x and y. Yeah. This is a different method of graphing. You just find both x and y intercepts, and you can graph that puppy. A lot of people, it just depends. Some people like table of values, some people like intercepts. Help me, Mr. Gonzalez Samuel. Help me with this guy. Good idea. Here we go. 2x plus 4y equals 2. 2x, so let's find the y-intercept now. Here we go. I'll put it in red for the Angels. Any Angel fans in here? Any Angel fans in here? Good, because I was going to send you to the office. 2x plus 4y equals... Go to the office. No. Equals 2. Wherever I see x, I'm replacing it with 0 now. You're awesome. Nice. 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 0 plus 4y is 2. What's nothing plus 4y? Exactly. Logically, just logically. If you add nothing to something, you just don't have the something. Nothing plus 4y is 4y equals 2. You're awesome. You're awesome. Careful. Hold up. Real, check this out. 2/4 is a fraction that I can reduce. In other words, it's bad manners to leave it as 2/4. Let's simplify 2/4. Right. Divide the top and bottom by 2. So it's 1/2. What are the coordinates of the puppy, Valdez? Hold up. Shh. Go ahead. What are the coordinates? Oh, here they are. 0 and 1/2. So let's plot that puppy. 0, 1/2. Right. So we can graph fractions. Now watch. Look at. Sure. 2 divided by 4. 4 can't fit into 2, so just leave it as 2/4. But it's bad manners, mathematically bad manners. It's kind of like if you fart at the table. That's bad manners, right? In math, there's also good manners and bad manners. To leave a fraction unsimplified is bad manners. So we took 2/4, divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. We got 1/2.
Well, you could leave like that if you like to, right?
It's just bad manners. It stinks. Technically, it'd be right. Yeah. It wouldn't, because you'd have a big fat F for funky order on your grade. Nice. Nice comeback. All right, so Valdez is right. 0, 1/2. Plot this puppy with me. Watch this. 0, 1/2 is right there. Look at. That's a blasphemous idea. Should never occur. We got two points. We can draw a line to them, and we're ready to rock and roll. What do you guys think? I agree. You got 1 minute to check your social media. I'm going to put you guys in groups of 2 or 3.